you a beginner and you want to learn how you can use Cash App? Well, here is exactly how you can do so. Well, first things first, signing up is pretty simple and easy. You need to verify through your Gmail or phone number and go to the prompts to set up your payments and such. Now here I have an account, as you can see. Now this is what the home interface looks like. If you tap on request option, you'll be able to select the amount first, and you'll be able to either select pay pools. You can start a pool, or you can select pay option in order to pay to someone using their cash tag or email, or you can scan the QR code if you have it available. Also, you can sync the contacts so that you have contacts already in the contact book. Also, if you head over to your profile, you'll be able to see the option to verify your identity. If you haven't done so yet, you'll be able to make changes to your personal information. You'll be able to see privacy settings, notifications settings. You'll be able to toggle it from here. Now similarly, if you want to add in bank, head over to the bank tab at the bottom left, the money tab here, and you'll be able to add money or withdraw money from your cash balance right away. So if you select add money, you'll be able to proceed to select a transfer mode, that is your bank or such, and then you can proceed to link it and then add it anytime. You can also select withdraw and withdraw to your bank. If you select on the activity tab, you'll be able to see all your past histories of deposits and withdrawal and transfers and such. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.